Hello my dear students, as we all know that there are 5 vowels in English alphabet. These 5 vowels are A, E, I, O and U. And these 5 vowels has its own sound. So when these vowels are combined with other letters, then they can create the meaningful words. Today we learn about sound of A. The sound of A is A and the sound of T is T. So when A is combined with T, then we read it as at. Now we make the words from at, B-A-T, bat, C-A-T, cat, H-A-T, hat, R-A-T, rat. Similarly, the sound of A is A and the sound of P is Pa. When A is combined with P, then we read it as app. Now we create the new words from app, C-A-P, cap, T-A-P, tap, M-A-P, map, L-A-P, lap. Now the sound of A is A and the sound of N is Na. When A is combined with N, then we read it as N. Now we create the new words from N, F-A-N, fan, V-A-N, van, M-A-N, man, P-A-N, pan. Now students, you can also make new words by the letter A. Now try it. Now thank you very much. Keep learning, and for more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.